Hello, this is Arish here, Lovejoy, and I'm in this beautiful valley. Like, check out this field. It's like a rice field and banana trees, I'm so thankful to be in this beautiful place. And the reason I'm making this video is that I found really cool programs that teaches you how to make money online, like and how to rank your videos on top really fast. And like the guys are really masters. Like they really teach you the best tricks and techniques to rank your videos on top, ethically, beautifully. It's amazing, and I really want you to check it out. And it doesn't cost a lot of money. You can literally sign up with your email address and your name, and it's super simple. So yeah, click the link below and check out. It's really powerful, and these guys are like some of the best people to learn from in the world. Thank you so much for watching. This is Arif here. Love you. Check out these beautiful rice fields in Bali. Thank you.